1000 Sisters star Amy Slayton is once again at the center of fan attention, but this time it's not about her health journey, dramatic family dynamics, or relationship updates. The TLC fan favorite just surprised everyone with what appears to be a new addition to her growing family. Yes, fans are buzzing non-stop after Amy revealed a very special baby, and all signs point to a big change in her personal life after her engagement to Brian Lovan. With online rumors circulating at lightning speed and curious social media users zooming into every single clue, people are asking, did Amy become a mom for the third time? The latest updates might just break the internet. Amy, known for her candid social media presence, shocked followers with a heartwarming post featuring her holding an adorable baby while sitting beside her fiancé Brian Lovan. The picture, posted to both her Instagram and TikTok accounts, showed Amy smiling more brightly than fans have seen in months. The baby, who appeared just a few months old, was dressed in pastel colors and tucked gently in Amy's arms. There was no caption to the photo, but she added a cryptic heart emoji and the phrase, "a little miracle." Naturally, fans immediately began speculating that Amy may have given birth in secret or taken a big step in becoming a mother again, possibly through adoption or surrogacy. Since her divorce from Michael Holteman, Amy has gone through a roller coaster of emotional highs and lows. While raising her two sons, Gage and Glenn, as a single mother, Amy also had to navigate the messy public fallout from her marriage, deal with ongoing body transformation struggles, and rebuild her confidence. But things started looking up when Brian entered the picture. He's been a constant presence in Amy's life over recent months, from outings with the kids to helping her handle the pressures of reality TV fame. Now, with their engagement confirmed and rumors of a secret baby surfacing, it seems Amy's world is changing fast. Despite not confirming the baby's name or birth details, Amy's social circle hasn't been shy in dropping clues. Her sister Mishti recently commented on the photo, writing, "She's a beautiful blessing, y'all deserve all the happiness in the world." The use of "she" was especially interesting to fans who pointed out that Amy has only had boys before. Did Amy have a baby girl this time? That question has now taken over online fan groups, Reddit threads, and TikTok Stitch videos, all analyzing everything from the baby's outfit to Brian's smile. Some followers even claimed they saw a baby registry linked to Amy and Brian months ago under a private alias. Even more shocking, a now deleted Facebook post from one of Amy's relatives claimed that the couple had been preparing for the baby for quite some time, saying, "They've been planning this since the engagement. Amy always wanted a daughter. She's over the moon." That single comment has fueled countless conversations, with fans divided over whether Amy gave birth secretly, adopted, or is simply caring for a family member's baby. However, the growing evidence, including a nursery visible in one of Brian's recent home videos, suggests this baby is a permanent addition to their lives. So, did Amy really become a mom for the third time? At this point, all signs point to yes. But what's more remarkable is how much calmer and more confident Amy appears since this potential change. Gone are the teary-eyed live streams, the cryptic breakup posts, and the dramatic sister showdowns. Instead, Amy has been sharing peaceful walks, cooking videos, and playful moments with her kids. She even shared a clip of Brian gently rocking the baby while watching cartoons with Gage and Glenn, calling him Super Dad in training. Fans flooded the comments section, praising Amy for finally finding peace and stability after years of chaos. TLC hasn't made any official announcements regarding the new baby, but insiders hint that producers are definitely filming Amy and Brian's latest chapter. According to one anonymous source close to the crew, they're working on weaving this into the next season. Amy's storyline is emotional and inspiring, and the baby has brought a new dynamic that fans will love. The idea of seeing Amy as a mother of three, balancing her past, her growth, and her future, is already exciting long-time viewers who feel emotionally invested in her journey since day one. Critics, however, are warning that Amy's leap into growing her family might be too soon, especially given age or ongoing health issues and past stress. Some viewers recall the toll that motherhood took on Amy during the last stages of her relationship with Michael Holteman. At the time, she struggled with postpartum depression and often vented online about feeling overwhelmed. That chapter was painful and messy, and fans are hoping that this time around, she's in a healthier and more supportive environment. Judging by the visible affection between her and Brian, many believe she finally is. Adding even more intrigue to the situation, fans discovered that Amy recently filed for official name changes for her two sons to include Lovon as part of their surnames. Could that be a sign that Brian is stepping in as a full father figure? The emotional resonance of that act hasn't gone unnoticed by fans, many of whom applauded Amy's efforts to build a stable and loving blended family. Some even called this the redemption arc Amy always deserved, and others say it's about time she got a happy ending. Amy has also been more vocal lately about her plans beyond television. In a recent podcast appearance, she hinted at wanting to launch a YouTube series focused on motherhood, weight loss, and finding yourself again after heartbreak. Though she didn't mention the baby during that episode, her emotional tone when talking about motherhood seemed to suggest that something new had already entered her life. Being a mom is hard, but being a mom again when you've already been broken. That takes courage, she said, leading listeners to believe that her words were more than just metaphorical. Social media detective work also revealed a series of baby supply purchases on Amy's public Amazon wish list, including a pink bassinet, personalized baby blankets, and a high-tech baby monet. All these items, added just 2 months ago, further fuel theories that the baby has already been in Amy and Brian's care for several weeks. Some fans even claim they spotted Amy at a local Kentucky pediatrician's office with a baby girl, though these sightings remain unconfirmed. Another clue came from a leaked photo shared on a private fan page that appeared to show Amy's mom holding the new baby at a family gathering. In the photo, Amy looks radiant, and the baby is dressed in a frilly floral outfit with a matching bow. If that is indeed Amy's third child, then it seems the entire family has embraced the new arrival with open arms. This is a massive shift from the tense, combative energy that often surrounded the family in earlier seasons of the show. Tammy Slaton, Amy's sister and longtime co-star, has yet to publicly comment on the new baby rumors. However, she did post a vague quote recently: "Some people find peace when the chaos ends. Others create new beginnings." Fans quickly interpreted it as Tammy giving her silent support to Amy's transformation and family expansion. The sisters have had their ups and downs, but this latest season showed more unity and mutual respect than ever before, and it wouldn't be surprising if Tammy is quietly cheering Amy on from the sidelines. Amy Slaton has long been a symbol of perseverance and vulnerability, and if this baby is indeed hers, then she is continuing that legacy in the most meaningful way possible. After battling physical challenges, emotional heartache, public humiliation, and deep personal loss, Amy's choice to embrace motherhood once more speaks volumes about her resilience. Whether this baby came through birth, adoption, or blended family bonds, the love she shows is unmistakably real. For fans, the joy is infectious. Comments on Amy's latest post range from "I knew she was glowing for a reason" to "You're gonna be the best mom to that little girl." Some are already asking for a gender reveal or name announcement video, while others simply hope Amy takes her time and does what's best for herself and her children. The overwhelming sentiment is clear: Amy Slaton deserves happiness, and if this baby brings that into her life, then it's a blessing worth celebrating. As the world waits for an official announcement or a full reveal on the next season of 1000 LB Sisters, one thing is undeniable: Amy is stepping in to a new chapter of her life, and she's doing it with more grace, strength, and purpose than ever before. The baby may be small, but the love surrounding her is huge. Whether this marks the beginning of a new family unit or just a sweet surprise during a transitional time, Amy Slaton has proven once again that no matter the obstacles, she continues to rise. And this time, she's not doing it alone. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.